Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, my name is Seun Digital. On this channel I provide you information on how to make money online and tools that can help you to make money online. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use your Twitter despite the federal government ban on Twitter. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Twitter, so we have the trick, they cannot stop us. You get what I'm saying? So I'm going to be walking you through how to bypass the ban and still use your Twitter, because a lot of life depends on this social networking site. A lot of life depends on it. Some people, they make their money from it. That's why I used to tell people it's better use different sources, so that if this one is blocked, that one can be working. Okay, so if you're here to subscribe on my channel, on this channel I provide you information on how to make money online, tools that can help you to make money online, everything you need to start your business online. That's what I do here. So let's go. I'm going to be showing you, the next thing you're going to be seeing now is my screen, the screen of my phone, where I'm going to be showing you step by step how to use Twitter despite the federal government ban on Twitter. Let's go there. All right guys, I believe you can see this, my phone screen right now. So okay, like I said, I'm going to be walking you through how to use your Twitter. But let's do some background check. Let's do some check if Twitter is actually banned or not, or Twitter is still working. So let's do that. So I'm going to go to my Twitter app right now. Okay, I'm going to go to my Twitter. Okay, here's my Twitter app. You can see this. You can see this just loading. This shows that this app is no longer working. Okay, no longer working. See, so I'm gonna clear it. So it's not working a bit. So if I try to refresh now, check it again and again and again. Okay, let's go to Chrome to check if maybe it's my app that is having that fault. Let's try Chrome, Google Chrome. Let's try Google Chrome. Maybe Google Chrome is gonna work or something. Twitter, reload Twitter. You can see Twitter, the top of see Twitter here. So you see. So Twitter is no longer working. So let's fix this. Now the first thing you want to do is, if you're using an Android phone, you go to Play Store. If you're using an an iPhone, you go to Apple Store. So I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. Okay, so if I click on Play Store, I'm going to look for an app called, you're going to see that now, VPN. Okay, VPN. Search for VPN. Okay, so let's do that search. So you're going to see a lot of VPN. You can see WinScribe VPN. I have it installed on my phone already. I have this installed on my phone already. Okay, on my phone. It's on my phone. So, but I'm going to download another one so that you will know that you can actually use any VPN. So I'm going to use this second one or the third one. But let's try the second one. Let's see how it goes. So I'm going to download the second one. Click on that second one like that. I'm going to click on it and click on install. I want this video to be very short so that you can finish it on time. So I'm going to wait for this to load. Then I will click on open. Okay, so I'm waiting. All right. If you're yet to subscribe on this channel, this is what I do on this channel. I give information on how to make money online, tools that can help you to grow your business online, and also what you can do to start a business. Businesses you can do online. That's what I show on this channel. So I'm going to click on this button right here, this open button. Okay, I'm going to click that right now. Okay, so I want to click on accept. I'm going to click on accept. I'm gonna accept it. Beg your pardon. Okay, once I click on accept it, then we're gonna wait for it to load. Okay. Okay, good. Then it says the connection is ready. Tap connect to start. Tap connect to start. All right, so I'm going to tap this connect button here to start. So that's what I'm going to do. I click that right now. So it says Thunder VPN wants to set up a VPN connection that allows it to monitor network traffic. Only accept it if you trust the source. Apps at the top of your screen when VPN is active. Okay, so click on OK to do that. Okay, so good. You can see connected. You can see the button connected. So connected. They said it should rate the app. It's not necessary. Okay, this is connected. It's connected right now. Okay, so you can also see that it says connected here, down here. All right, so if you want to change the location, the country that you are now, you want to change the country to another one. Okay, you have to click on this button right there, on this button right here. Okay, this button right here. All right, so I'm gonna click that one straight away. So we have different, we have Germany, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Luxembourg, we have Singapore, France, and Netherlands, we have United States, US, West. Okay, so we can always look for, depending on words, you can always leave it for auto selection. That's the auto select. If you wanted to also select the country for you, or you want to manually pick any of the country, all right? So, but I'm gonna leave it for auto select because I just want to be any country I like at any moment. Okay, let's just do auto select and go out of this place. Okay, so let's minimize our phone. Okay, let's try the app right now. Twitter. Let's refresh. Okay, you see, I'm gonna know if it's working or not. Okay, can you see? It's working. Every other one is loaded. Can you see? Your Twitter is back. They cannot stop you. Okay, they can't stop you, guys. You see Twitter, you're working. The Twitter is working. Normally, it's working. The only thing they can do to stop us is when we cannot download Twitter on our phone anymore. But if we still have access to twitter.com, or we can still download Twitter, man, we're good to go, bro. Okay, so let's try. Maybe my phone is working. Maybe the Twitter is back now. So let's check the Chrome version of it. The Chrome version, the website version of it. Now let's reload. Let's click on reload button here. Okay, click on that button to reload. Wow. Twitter is back. So that'll be the end of this video. If you're yet to subscribe, please do so. Click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that you will know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. This is what I do on this channel. So I come your way again, and the next video that's going to be popping up now is a video that will show you how to make money online. You want to click that video and check it out now. And if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section of this video. And please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also share this video with a friend that want their Twitter back. And also you want to, I want to say goodbye to you.